Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and today we're going to talk about the Windows key. We're doing a little series, after having this channel for more than 2 years now. I've decided that maybe it's a little time to do some revision, and I'll do a series called Back to the Basics. So if you've missed out on something, or if you're new and you stumbled upon the channel, then you'll have a few pointers about the basics of Windows 8.1. Now, one of the most important keys on your keyboard in Windows 8.1 is the Windows key. It's that little key with a little flag on it. It's located on the bottom left on most keyboards, and it's extremely powerful in Windows 8. That Windows key was that elusive key that pretty much nobody used up to Windows 7. And then Windows 8 arrived, and that's where the Windows key became extremely important. What does it do? Well, first of all, when you're stuck somewhere, the Windows key will always bring you back to the start screen. And if you're using a program like Classic Shell for customizing your Windows experience, well, it brings you to the start menu. So depending on how you configured your program, on some computers it can even be programmed to bring you to the desktop. So when you're in an app and you're kind of stuck and you wonder, how the hell do I get out of there? Because it's not always easy. For example, let's say that I'm going to check my Mail app. I've used my Mail app, but it's not always, there's no X in the corner, and unless you go into the upper right corner to see it, a lot of people just miss out. How do I get out of here? Of course, the best way is to just use that little red X. But if you're kind of stuck and you're wondering, how the hell do I get out of an app, a program, a game? The Windows key will always do the trick. That's one of the things that you need to know. It also switches between two areas. For example, here I'm on the start screen. I had the Mail app. If I click again, I go back to my Mail app. So it switches between the Mail app and the start screen in this case. It can switch between two apps if you're just going through one app and another app. It all depends on what you are doing on your computer. So that's one of the things that you need to know. The Windows key is really the center of the future for Windows, as they are trying to really focus that key, help use it. And it also has a number of shortcuts that you can use. So that's why it's very important to locate the key. It's very important to know if you're stuck somewhere. You'll always be able to press that key to go back to your start screen. And from there you can go wherever you want. So that's pretty much it. So hope that this little bit on the Windows key helped you in learning a little more. Like I said, if you're using programs like Start 8 or Classic Shell to customize the look of your Windows 8 to be more like Windows 7, the Start key still works, but it's going to bring you to the Start menu on the bottom left of your computer. If you enjoy our videos, why not subscribe to our channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. And you know what? If you have that new computer, you're new to Windows 8, or even if you're a seasoned user of Windows 8, sometimes going through the basics, going through different videos, showing how to do pretty much everything. Well, this is a good channel for that. I try to explain in the easiest way possible how to do pretty much everything you want in Windows 8. If you have a feature, if you have a question, if you have something that you think that a video might be interesting to have to learn how to do it, let me know and I'll try to post that video online. Hopefully you enjoy our videos, and welcome back to the official Windows 8 channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.